This will be an unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro Max. As you can see, what a name though, Pro Max. So right away, let me know in the comments below what you think about this triple camera setup and like just how that looks overall. Very curious to see what you guys think of that. But anyway, which one should I open? Go ahead and put that one to the side, open the green one first. I think this is what most people want to see. I don't know. So let's just go ahead and get started. No blade necessary for this with the tab on the plastic. And take a look at the back of the box. Green Apple logo. iPhone right there. Now let's open it. Put that to the side and ooh. Oh wow. Yeah, nice. Matte green finish. On some of the pictures it looked kind of gray, even bluish. But yeah, this is definitely, in person you can definitely see the hint of green. More like a camo green, military green, that type of shade. I gotta say it looks pretty nice. Now again, now looking at it in person, this triple camera array, I don't know, man. Let me know in the comments below what you think. But yeah. Let's go ahead and do the honors. Moment of silence for this. Woo! Put the plastic to the side, and then here we go. Very nice. We'll go ahead and turn the device on. Should have some juice left. There we go. Put that to the side. What else do we get in the box? Designed by Apple in California. Hello. This is our SIM ejector tool, as you can see. Visual instructions on how to use the tool. And this one is just pamphlets or whatever, leaflet, whatever you want to call it, and your Apple stickers, as you can see, that you can put on your friend's Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Put that to the side, and we have your headphones here, as you can see. Throw that to the side, and then here is your charging cable, which unfortunately it's still lightning. It's not USB Type-C. Come on, Apple, just give us a USB Type-C cable for the iPhone already. And then here, finally we get some sort of upgrade on the charging brick. No longer that 5-watt POS from years past. So that's good to see. Put that to the side, and then here's the device itself. And then real quick, gonna go ahead and speed through the gold one. All right, get the tab, put that box to the side, same contents as previously, and this is the gold one. And a second moment of silence. Woo! Put that to the side, and then let's compare the two. Very nice. Let me know in the comments below which one you would pick between these two, green or the gold. Let me know. And real quick, hold on a second. It's last year's iPhone XS Max and this year's gold. Gloss finish on last year's phone. This one's more of a matte. Maybe I like the matte finish better. It'll not get as many fingerprints. All right, put that to the side and let's go ahead and get into the device. Hello. And then choose English. And then let's see, Morica, that's where I am. And then quick start. We'll go ahead and just set this up manually. And then let's go ahead and type my password real quick. Wow, this screen is really, amber. Maybe it's just I don't know if this phone has like the auto, the auto kind of where it can change the color temperature like on the MacBook Pros. I think it has that as well. I'm not sure actually. Let me know in the comments. Let's see, type in my password. Just give me a second. Go ahead, click on join. All right. Where'd it go? Oh man, I was gonna say something. It disappeared. There was a funny Wi-Fi name, but I don't know where it went. Okay. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Now this is an unlocked version, so it should not have a SIM in it already. Unlike the Verizon ones where they have the SIM, they already pre-installed the SIM for you. Data and privacy. Continue. Face ID, set that up later. Create a passcode, put in a bunch of zeros so you can get in my device. Passcode can be easily guessed. Use it anyway. And then do that again. Apps and data. Don't transfer anything. Apple ID. Let's see here. Can I skip this or what? Don't have an Apple ID. I do, but I want to set it up later. Set up later in settings. Don't use for now. Just for now. And then I guess I have to agree to this, right? Express settings. And what is this? We'll continue. Not now on the FaceTime. Siri, set this up later. Screen time, what is this? Weekly report, blah, blah, blah. Whatever, continue. App analytics, I'm not sharing anything with anyone. True tone display, yeah, that's what you call it, the true tone display, right? Continue. And then the appearance. Looks like we have a light and dark. I'm gonna go with the dark theme. There we go. That looks way better. IMO. Light. Take a look. And then dark. Bam. Dark mode for the win. Continue. Display zoom. Standard. Go home. Continue. Switch between recent apps. Yeah, I know how to use it. Quickly access controls. What does that say? Swipe down from top right edge to open control center. Okay, continue. Welcome to iPhone. Swipe up to get started. And we are in. All right, so let's go ahead and just dive into the settings real quick. Ooh, see the dark mode here? Very nice. I like that. Dark mode for the win. So let's see, is it this one? Go to the settings, go back. It's the general. And then we'll go about phone real quick. iPhone 11 Pro Max, as you can see. We're on iOS 13. Have a quick look. And then I'm gonna go back and then let's see, just out of curiosity, software updates already. iOS 13 software is up to date, so no updates right now. No OTAs anyway. iOS 13 out of the box. All right, so go ahead and test out the camera real quick. You have 3 lenses here so you can see. So let's, yeah, where's the camera at? New in camera. Don't allow that. Capture outside the frame, new shutter button. Tap and hold the shutter to record a quick video. Now I gotta say, that is a very nice feature. Quick video, if you're taking a picture, you just press a little bit longer and it turns into a video. I like that. We'll hit continue and here we go. We have the standard here, the 0.1x and then half, 0.5 of a zoom and then 2x zoom. So let's go ahead and take a picture of something. What do I have on the table? I have last year's iPhones with me. So I'm gonna go ahead and let's see, we'll go with the wide angle first. So you can see that's the 0.5x they call it. Take a shot of that. 1x, you get closer. And then this is the 2x optical zoom. And there you go. Now what happens if I zoom in? 5.4x digital zoom. And then go ahead and just take a picture of that. Actually, here. Take a picture of the product red iPhone XR. There you go. Now put that in the video. Let me know what you think of the quality. Cool. And then let's go back to the camera app and let's test out. I mentioned there was the pretty cool feature, the when you hold the camera button, it'll turn into a video. So let's test that out right meow. I'm just gonna hold it. It's recording. It's recording. So this is the test of the that feature. You press the shutter button and it'll take a quick video for you. So here it is. Let me know the quality. Alright, late. Alright, I'm gonna put that in the video as well. Alright, so let's go ahead and just compare it to these older iPhones. Here it is against the XS Max from last year. Go ahead and turn this on. Take a look at the displays. And type in the zeros here. Pretty much identical. Here it is against the XR. Much smaller display on the XR. Comparing the backs, as you can see. And then the gold one, we'll do it again. Let me know in the comments which color you'd pick, or if not, what is there, the silver one? Yeah, the silver one and the black one. I chose the green just because pretty unique color. Never seen a green iPhone before. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think I've seen that. So yeah, I'm definitely digging this green, more of a military green. I love that it's a matte finish. I think it looks pretty good back here. We'll do the fingerprint test. And then, see any fingerprints there? Yeah, see, repels the fingerprints. So that is a good sign. And then, let me see, here's this phone's arch rival, Galaxy Note 10 Plus. We'll just compare the size real quick. Front, or the back. And this is it from the front. Is this phone turned on? Let me see. Turn this on. There we go. Updating some apps. And then, let's see. Let's go to settings. Oh, it's in dark mode, right? Well, anyway, you get the idea. Compare the display. Compare the notch area. This is the notch on the iPhone. This is the hole cut punch out on the Note device. Let me know which one you prefer. Hole punch or notch. There you go. And then just the thinness. Note 10 Plus taller overall. Camera array. I think the Note 10 looks better. This one, I don't know. I have to get used to that triple, how they laid that out. We'll see. All right, so let me know in the comments below what you want me to do with the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Speed tests, durability tests, etc. versus last year's iPhone XS Max, as you can see, Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, Galaxy S10 Plus, OnePlus 7 Pro, the upcoming Razer phones, the ROG Phone 2, etc. I'd have to say, first impressions, looks pretty good. I like the new finish they have going here. And it feels like an iPhone. What can I say? Feels very similar to last year's. All right, so let me know in the comments what you want me to do with this device. Thanks for watching. Peace out.